This video follows on sequentially from the one regarding copy monitor for levels and grids. If you're still with us in the same model, great. If not, and you're having a few problems, you'll find a project file under the Chapter 4 Project Files folder called Chapter 4 03 Levels and Grids. You can start from here. Depending on the type of project you're working on, the architect may be responsible for placing objects like mechanical equipment and air terminals, plumbing fixtures, electrical equipment, lighting fixtures, and a fairly comprehensive list of other devices and fixtures. To copy monitor them, let's go to the default 3D view by clicking on the default 3D view button on the Quick Access toolbar. Here I want to check that all the categories are turned on in the linked file. We need to go to Visibility Graphics, so from the View tab, click on Visibility Graphics and click on Revit Links. Here it tells me that the architectural file is displayed by the host view. This means I can look at the model categories here, make sure that I check to show all model categories, and then scroll down just to make sure that everything is visible in the view, with the exception of mass and parts, as we do not need these. Once we've done the check, click on OK, and now we will go to the Collaborate tab. As before, click on Copy Monitor. Select a link file, click on the link, and now let's look at the coordination settings. We're going to apply these settings to the linked file, and in here we can see that we can either copy particular categories individually or by batch copy. We can copy the original or specify type mapping. If I click on type mapping on the left hand side, we can see that in this particular architectural file there are no air terminals. Let's check this out for lighting fixtures. I'm going to allow batch copy, and I want to look at the mapping behavior. We'll specify the type mapping. Click on type mapping under lighting fixtures on the left hand side, and now we can see the linked model, light fitting, and its type. And what do we want to do? We want to copy the original type, don't copy this type, or map it to another light fixture. Let's revert this back to copy the original. Do the same for air terminals. I'll need to do this for each category that I want to copy.